Hello everyone. If you can't afford expensive colored pencils or markers but still want to improve your drawings, this video is for you. Today we're going to draw this picture of a jungle fowl and its family, and I'll share some tips and tricks along the way. So let's get started. The tools I'm using are any set of oil pastels, 24 colors is more than enough, some blending stumps or tortillons. If you don't have any, you can make them at home. Let me know in the comments if you'd like a video on that. Most importantly, a black charcoal pencil. Charcoal works really well on top of oil pastels. And of course, some erasers. I've already drawn the rough sketch. If you'd like to learn how to do that easily and realistically, comment below and I'll make a separate video about it, because there's too much to cover in this one. This is me searching for a photo of a jungle fowl's eye for reference. First tip, always start with the lightest colors and work towards the darkest colors. In this case, I start with lemon yellow, then orange, and finally black. I use a black charcoal pencil for the darkest areas. Second tip, try to spot colors that you don't immediately notice in your reference image. Third tip, use a sharpener to sharpen your oil pastels and get a finer point for details. Fourth tip, don't try to draw every detail. Keep your hand loose and draw the lines you actually see, not what you think you see. Fifth tip, if you make a mistake and a normal eraser doesn't remove it, try using an electric eraser. If you don't have one, I highly recommend getting one. Sixth tip, always draw lines in their natural direction. For example, when drawing fur or feathers, follow the direction in which they grow. 7th tip, always start drawing animals with their eyes. Eighth tip, use a blending stump to blend colors smoothly. Ninth tip, only add lots of detail to your main subjects. In this case, the jungle fowl and the female bird. Keep the chicks in the background much less detailed, so viewers naturally focus on the main subjects without feeling overwhelmed. 10th tip, avoid drawing difficult and unnecessary parts, such as feet, if they don't add much to the artwork. Remember, less is more. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you're still here, thank you for watching. Please subscribe so I can eventually afford some expensive colored pencils. Peace.